We're going to show you one of the easiest ways to make awesome backyard ribs with results that are juicy and off the bone tender. We'll be using baby back ribs today. Begin by unpackaging and patting them dry on both sides. Trim any excess fat, and then for the most tender results, we're going to remove the membrane. It's very simple to do. Just use a knife to pry up the membrane on one end, then grab a paper towel for some traction, and with any luck, you'll be able to pull this off in one piece. We'll be using mustard as a binder today on both sides, and then hitting it up with a generous coating of our LSG Texas Bold. We're doing a total of 3 racks today, but you can do as many as you like. And with these all ready to go, it's time to head outside and fire up the pit. Our Lone Star Grillz El Fuego trio is heavy duty, highly capable, and extremely versatile because it can cook with wood, charcoal, or pellets. Today, we'll be using pellet mode and cooking at a temperature of 225 degrees Fahrenheit. And don't forget, you can use our split basket to add a chunk of smoke wood for added flavor. Once fully preheated, get your ribs on over the pellet side, then close the lid and let El Fuego take it from here. Allow these enough time to absorb plenty of smoke flavor, begin to break down, and most importantly, develop a good solid bark. For most baby back ribs, this will take about 3 hours, but there are variables, so pay attention to the details and not time. We're looking for the bones to begin to pull back, which indicates that they're beginning to break down, and for the bark to become firm on the outside. That's when it's time to move to the tenderizing stage. Add your favorite barbecue sauce to some tin foil, place the ribs meat side down, add some additional sauce, wrap these tightly, and get them back on the cooker meat side down. This will help to speed up the tenderizing process and really absorb that barbecue sauce flavor. Allow them to go for approximately 1 hour, then open the foil, turn the ribs right side up, and give them about 30 more minutes to caramelize the bark. When these probe nice and tender, it's time to remove them from the smoker, give them a short rest, slice them up, and serve them to your hungry guests. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you've got questions on any of our products at any time, just give us a call or check out our links below.